What if one of the biggest muscle-building myths you've believed for years isn't entirely true? For decades, we've been told that beef, chicken, and other meats are the only reliable way to build and maintain strong muscles. But today's nutrition science tells a much more interesting story. A growing number of studies suggest that several plant-based foods can provide high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and key nutrients that help support muscle growth, recovery, and healthy aging. Some even offer additional benefits like fiber, antioxidants, and heart-friendly compounds that meat doesn't provide. In this video, we'll count down 10 of the best plant-based protein foods that can help fuel your muscles naturally. Stay with us until the end, because our number one choice may completely change the way you think about building strength without relying on red meat alone. You may even discover that some of these foods are already sitting in your kitchen without you realizing how powerful they really are. But before we reveal the countdown, let's take a quick look at why plant protein can support muscle growth in the first place. Once you understand the science, the rest of this list will make a lot more sense. Before we begin the countdown, let's answer an important question. Can plant protein really build muscle as effectively as meat? The answer is yes, when you understand how your body actually uses protein. Your muscles don't recognize whether protein comes from a steak or a serving of beans. Instead, they break every protein down into amino acids, the building blocks needed to repair and grow muscle tissue. Some foods, such as soy products and quinoa, naturally provide all 9 essential amino acids and are known as complete proteins. Others may contain lower amounts of 1 or 2 amino acids, but that's rarely a problem when you eat a variety of plant foods throughout the day. One amino acid deserves special attention: leucine. It acts like a signal that tells your muscles it's time to begin repairing and building new muscle after exercise. That's why eating enough total protein and including leucine-rich foods is more important than relying on any single ingredient. Modern research continues to show that a well-planned plant-based diet can effectively support muscle growth, strength, and recovery, while also providing fiber, antioxidants, and other nutrients that promote long-term health. Now, let's count down the 10 best plant-based protein foods that deserve a place on your plate. We'll begin with a protein source that's been enjoyed for centuries and is now becoming increasingly popular among athletes and fitness enthusiasts around the world. Starting our list at number 10 is tempeh, a traditional soy-based food that has become a favorite among athletes and nutrition experts. Tempeh is naturally rich in high-quality protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. What makes it unique is the fermentation process, which helps break down natural compounds in soy and may make it easier to digest than many other soy products. Fermentation also supports beneficial gut bacteria, while the fiber in tempeh helps promote fullness and digestive health. Try slicing and grilling it, adding it to stir-fries, or crumbling it into tacos, salads, or grain bowls. It's a simple, versatile way to boost your protein intake while supporting muscle maintenance and recovery. If you think that's impressive, the next food contains even more protein per serving and has one of the most meat-like textures you'll find in the plant world. Coming in at number 9 is seitan, often called wheat protein because it's made primarily from wheat gluten. Gram for gram, seitan is one of the highest protein plant foods available, making it a popular choice for people looking to increase their protein intake without adding much fat. Its firm, meat-like texture also makes it an excellent substitute for chicken or beef in many recipes. You can grill it, stir-fry it, slice it into sandwiches, or add it to soups and pasta dishes. Because seitan is naturally low in lysine, pairing it with foods like beans, lentils, or chickpeas creates a more balanced amino acid profile. However, anyone with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity should avoid seitan and choose other protein-rich plant foods instead. Our next food has been the subject of countless nutrition studies and continues to prove that building muscle doesn't require eating meat. At number 8 is tofu, a food that's often underestimated when it comes to building muscle. Many people still believe tofu can't compete with meat, but research suggests otherwise. Made from soybeans, tofu is a complete protein, naturally providing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to repair and maintain muscle tissue. Studies have shown that soy protein can effectively support muscle growth and strength when combined with regular resistance exercise and adequate daily protein intake. Beyond protein, tofu also supplies calcium, iron, and magnesium nutrients that contribute to healthy bones, muscle function, and energy production. Another advantage is its incredible versatility. Tofu absorbs the flavors of herbs, spices, and sauces, making it perfect for stir-fries, soups, salads, sandwiches, or grain bowls. Whether baked, grilled, or lightly sautéed, tofu is an easy, affordable, and nutritious way to add high-quality protein to almost any meal. As we move higher on the list, our next choice combines impressive protein with essential nutrients that help deliver oxygen to working muscles. At number 7 are lentils, one of the most affordable and nutritious plant protein sources you can add to your diet. A single cooked cup provides about 18 grams of protein, making lentils an excellent choice for supporting muscle repair and maintenance. They're also rich in iron, an essential mineral that helps carry oxygen to working muscles, which is especially important during exercise and recovery. In addition, lentils provide plenty of folate, a B vitamin involved in healthy cell growth and energy production. Their high fiber content supports digestive health and helps keep you feeling full for longer. Whether you add them to soups, salads, curries, or grain bowls, lentils are easy to prepare, budget-friendly, and a smart way to boost both protein intake and overall nutrition without spending a fortune. The next food may not look like a typical muscle-building ingredient, but its nutritional profile has earned attention from athletes around the world. At number 6 is spirulina, a blue-green algae known for its incredibly concentrated nutrition. Gram for gram, spirulina contains an impressive amount of protein along with all the essential amino acids, making it a valuable addition to a muscle-supporting diet. It also provides iron, antioxidants, and other micronutrients that may help reduce oxidative stress after exercise. Because spirulina has a strong, earthy flavor, it's most commonly added in small amounts to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or protein shakes rather than eaten on its own. While it can be a convenient way to boost daily protein intake, it should be viewed as a supplement to a balanced diet, not a replacement for whole protein-rich foods. Always choose spirulina from reputable brands that test for purity and contaminants to ensure both safety and quality. Now we've reached the top 5, where each food offers not only excellent protein, but also additional nutrients that help support muscle performance and recovery. Coming in at number 5 are hemp seeds, one of the most nutrient-dense plant foods you can eat. Despite their small size, hemp seeds are a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build, repair, and maintain muscle tissue. They're also rich in heart-healthy unsaturated fats, including omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which support overall health and may help manage exercise-related inflammation. Another standout nutrient is magnesium, an essential mineral involved in muscle contraction, energy production, and normal nerve function. Hemp seeds have a mild, nutty flavor and are incredibly easy to use. Sprinkle them over oatmeal, yogurt, salads, smoothies, or whole grain dishes for a simple protein boost that also delivers healthy fats and important minerals in every serving. From this point on, every food on our list provides an exceptional combination of protein quality and everyday nutrition, making the competition even tougher. At number 4 is edamame, the young, green form of soybeans that makes a delicious and nutritious snack. Edamame is a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need for growth, repair, and recovery. It's also rich in fiber, iron, folate, and several important vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Because it's easy to prepare and naturally satisfying, edamame is an excellent choice after a workout or as a healthy snack between meals. Simply steam the pods and enjoy them with a light sprinkle of sea salt, or add the beans to salads, grain bowls, stir-fries, or soups. It's a simple, convenient way to increase your daily protein intake while supporting lean muscle maintenance and long-term strength. We've officially reached the top 3. These foods stand out because they don't just provide protein, they also deliver the nutrients your body needs to recover, stay energized, and build strength over time. Taking the number 3 spot is quinoa, a unique seed that's often enjoyed like a whole grain. Unlike most grains, quinoa is a complete protein, supplying all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for muscle growth and repair. It also provides complex carbohydrates, which help replenish the glycogen stores your muscles use during exercise. This combination of high-quality protein and slow-digesting carbohydrates makes quinoa an excellent food for post-workout recovery and sustained energy throughout the day. In addition, quinoa is rich in magnesium, iron, and fiber, nutrients that support muscle function, oxygen transport, and digestive health. Serve it as a side dish, mix it into salads, or use it as the base for nourishing grain bowls to create a balanced meal that supports strength and recovery naturally. Our runner-up is one of the world's most popular legumes and an excellent example of how simple foods can deliver impressive muscle-building nutrition. At number 2 are black beans, a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a place in any muscle-building meal plan. Black beans provide a generous amount of plant protein along with important amino acids such as lysine, which is often limited in grains, and leucine, the amino acid that helps trigger muscle protein synthesis after exercise. While black beans are not considered a complete protein on their own, pairing them with whole grains like brown rice creates a complete amino acid profile that supports muscle growth and recovery. They're also packed with fiber, iron, magnesium, and antioxidants that promote heart health and steady energy levels. Whether added to burrito bowls, soups, salads, or chili, black beans are an affordable, filling, and highly nutritious food that helps fuel your body while supporting long-term muscle strength. And now we've arrived at our number 1 choice. It may not be the first food that comes to mind when you think about building muscle, but its unique combination of protein, minerals, and healthy fats makes it truly stand out. Taking the number 1 spot are pumpkin seeds, and the reason might surprise you. While they don't contain the highest amount of protein on this list, they offer one of the best overall combinations of nutrients for supporting healthy muscles. Every handful provides quality plant protein along with magnesium, a mineral your muscles rely on for proper contraction, energy production, and recovery after physical activity. Pumpkin seeds are also an excellent source of zinc, which plays a key role in protein synthesis, tissue repair, and normal immune function. Together, these nutrients help create the ideal environment for maintaining strength as you age. They're incredibly easy to enjoy. Sprinkle them over oatmeal, salads, yogurt, or simply eat them as a convenient snack. Pumpkin seeds earn the top spot not because they're the richest protein source alone, but because they combine protein, essential minerals, healthy fats, and everyday convenience into one simple food that supports both muscle health and overall well-being. Of course, choosing the right foods is only part of the equation. Knowing how to combine them throughout the day can help you get even more from every meal. Knowing which foods are rich in protein is only part of the equation. How you combine them throughout the day can make an even bigger difference. Start your morning with a protein-rich breakfast, such as oatmeal topped with hemp seeds and pumpkin seeds, or a tofu scramble with whole grain toast. After a workout, choose a meal that combines protein with healthy carbohydrates, like tempeh with quinoa or black beans served over brown rice. This pairing helps replenish energy stores while providing the amino acids your muscles need to recover. Throughout the day, include a source of plant protein in every meal or snack to support steady muscle protein synthesis. Combining beans with whole grains, such as lentils with rice or black beans with quinoa, creates a more balanced amino acid profile. Finally, stay well hydrated and pair these healthy eating habits with regular strength training for the best long-term results. Now, let's quickly review what we've learned and how you can start putting these ideas into practice today. As you've seen, building and maintaining strong muscles doesn't have to depend on eating more red meat. Foods like tempeh, tofu, lentils, quinoa, black beans, pumpkin seeds, and the other plant proteins on today's list can all help you meet your protein needs while providing fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. You don't have to become completely vegetarian to enjoy these benefits. Simply replacing 1 or 2 meat-based meals each week with nutrient-rich plant proteins can be a smart step toward better muscle health. Which food on today's list surprised you the most, and which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed health tips every week.